Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about a framework developed by Microsoft AutoGen. It is nothing but automatically agent can communicate between each other without any instruction from a developer or an user. In general, we assign tasks to agent or a role to an agent and it does the job. Here the same procedure, we assign tasks to an agent, but when it comes to decision making, it does by its own when we predefine everything. So I'm going to build multiple agents in here so that we can see how the communication happen by its own. So these are the requirements. When you see, I'm using Gemini here. So if you have your API key, even you can use any other LLM and for each OS, you have a different method of exporting it. It is a best practice when you are using any API key, uh, like public key, that you need to hide. You just export it, or you can store it as a environment one. And these are the required packages that we need to have in order to build this model. One is PyAutoGen, and for Gemini, we have this. And Python dot environment is I have it for environment file that to export API key, and that's all. We are going to have this demo with minimum storage. If you're going for a large model, you can have other things. I mean, go for large storage. Okay, let's get started. Import the required packages. One is AutoGen, of course, and the next thing is I'm giving specifying all the config details for the LLM. And here the temperature I'm giving 0.7 for the randomness. And yeah, so why timeout in the sense it is about the agent communication. We can't just make it to happen like continuously. We need to break it at point because it will just keep on going. So we can't just have for a long time. If your application is like completely different from what I'm doing, you can have like large timeout. But here I'm using only 120 seconds, so I can't it can't go beyond that. So or it will hallucinate at one point. That is why. Next, assistant. So here we are having an agent. The role is it is going to be an assistant. So you are helpful AI assistant powered by Google Gemini. Be concise and clear in your response. So the role is it need to respond back properly. And here we have this proxy agent where it is going to act as a proxy in order to get back the information. So here we have this initial chat. Explain what AutoGen is in 3 sentences. So what it will do is it will just ask an agent whether based on the questions that we give, or if we didn't give for any other role that we assign to search or to uh, you know uh, extract information or do some research work on it, or get a summary out of it. So anything that we feed based on the input, it does the job with the assistant that we give. So it will instruct the proxy so that the agent one or agent two, whatever we give a role for, and it just does the job and get back to the assistant. So here the proxy gets the question that we just defined before. It is not a chatbot that I am developing. It is just an agent that I just directly gave the question here. So when an human input mode is never, which means I'm not going to give, it is not a chatbot as I said. So I just gave the question upfront. So I just going to consider this as my question. So it does the research and get back the result for me. So I just gave like in three sentence, right? So it is going to whatever the information it may be, it is going to summarize it and gets back the result for me. So this is how it works. We have like two agents in here, and it is going to communicate between each other. Let's see how it does.
이렇게 하면 되더라요. Presidente que que si a i tapete pasilaru para i i si aliku ke abi kapit ke kapit pakaka ki to dena.
So if you see here, we got the result of the response back from Google explaining about AutoGen. And the next thing is, it is asking us whether we have anything that user, I mean, from the user that model can assist with. And since we gave a timeout, it just terminated the entire session because we can just continue with the model by then. So it is waiting actually for user to give input. Since we gave user and the human input mode is never, so it directly fetched and considered the timeout parameter and closed the entire session. So AutoGen, why I just took this small multi-agent application, I mean model means it can does everything automatically. So we assigned a role, that's all, and it is asking us, is there anything else that I can help you with, which we didn't ask it to add. By model itself, it is asking us, is there anything that a model can, I mean, it can help us with. So these are the framework majorly developed for. It can think and help you with. We don't have to specify each and everything to it. It can perform the role very well, so that we can get more, I mean, most out of it. So I hope this video finds you well. And if you need anything, let me know in the comments. Thank you. Thanks for watching.